Andhra Bank and its ATM services. Andhra Bank CEO cum MD is J. Pakiri Swamy. About Andhra Bank. Bogaraju Pattabhi Sitaramaya founded Andhra Bank in 1923 in Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Raja Yarlagadda Sivarama Prasad was the individual who committed the financial resources for starting the institution. The bank was registered on 20 November 1923 with the paid up capital of 1 lakh. Andhra Bank was a medium sized public sector bank of India with a network of 2,855 branches, 4 extension counters, 38 satellite offices, and 3,798 automated teller machines as of 31st March 2019. During 2011 and 12, the bank entered the states of Tripura and Himachal Pradesh. The bank operated in 25 states and 3 union territories. Andhra Bank headquarters in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Some more points about Andhra Bank. As per the announcement made by Minister of Finance Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman in August 2019, Andhra Bank merged with Union Bank of India in April 2020. It has network arrangement with 99 number of banks of national financial space providing access to more than 2,20,000 ATMs across the country. Unique feature of linking 10 accounts for the cardholder across the country to the same ATM and debit card and instantaneous fund transfer through ATMs. Andhra Bank Visa chip debit cards have international acceptance and can be used over ATMs and POS machines around the globe. List of services offered through ATM by bank. Balance inquiry, mini statement, cash withdrawal, fund transfer among accounts, donations to Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, donations to Shirdi Sai Samsthan, cash advances, and withdrawals against Andhra Bank credit cards, payment of Andhra Bank credit card bills, Kingfisher Airlines ticket booking, IMPS fund transfer, mobile banking registration, and Aadhaar linking. Cash attraction discontinued from ATMs. Cash attraction is a facility in the ATM where the dispensed cash will be taken back by the ATM machine if the cash is not collected by the cardholder within a stipulated time, which is generally 10 to 15 seconds. Thank you. This is Kushi.